Good evening and a warm welcome to the HealthSecurity Dispatch Daily Digest, your go-to source for the latest in cybersecurity trends and expert insights, proudly presented by HealthSecurity. I'm Ed Hall, joining you from London, ready to explore the vital nexus of healthcare and cybersecurity intelligence today. Today is Thursday, the 9th of October 2025. Join me as we explore the complex terrain of cybersecurity in the digital world. Cybersecurity researchers have uncovered fake apps impersonating TikTok, WhatsApp and YouTube that are secretly spreading clay rat spyware on Android devices. The malware is capable of stealing messages, call data, photos and other sensitive information. It spreads by deceiving users into downloading counterfeit apps from unverified sources outside official stores. Microsoft has acknowledged a critical error in its Defender for Endpoint software after it mistakenly flagged SQL Server 2017 and 2019 as end of life. The false detection caused confusion among IT administrators who were running supported systems. Microsoft confirmed the issue and is working on a fix to restore normal functionality. Security experts are tracking a dangerous evolution in malware as the HealthKick strain transforms into a more advanced toolkit known as GoverShell. This upgraded version targets both healthcare and corporate environments with enhanced persistence and stealth. Analysts warn the shift marks a growing trend in adaptive and modular cyber threats. A Florida-based X-ray clinic has disclosed a data breach in which hackers gained access to sensitive patient information. The stolen data reportedly includes medical records that may have been compromised for more than a year. The clinic is now facing criticism for delaying the notification to affected individuals. Jaguar Land Rover has successfully restarted production following a cyber incident that disrupted operations for several weeks. The attack affected digital systems and manufacturing processes across multiple sites. Company officials say cybersecurity measures are being strengthened to prevent future disruptions. Discord has revealed that hackers obtained government-issued IDs belonging to around 70,000 users. The breach occurred through a third-party customer service vendor, rather than Discord's own systems. The company emphasized that its infrastructure remains secure and advised users to monitor their accounts for suspicious activity. SonicWall has confirmed that configuration files for all its cloud backup customers were stolen in a recent security breach. The compromised data includes firewall and network settings that could expose critical systems. The company is working closely with affected clients to reset configurations and strengthen overall security. Thank you for listening. I'm Ed Hall and we appreciate your time and listening. I'm excited to have you with us again tomorrow for more insightful updates. Remember to hit the like button, subscribe for continuous coverage and expert analysis, and sign up for a free trial of HealthSecurity Desktop at healthsecurity.com. Until we meet again, don't have nightmares, stay informed and secure in the digital world,